Welcome back to our series on Unlocking Life, where we explore the fascinating workings of the body-mind ensemble and focus on maximizing your potential to live life well. In our previous episodes, we delved deep into the intricacies of breathing and how not knowing how to breathe impacts our health. We also discussed how and why we fall ill. Today and in subsequent episodes, we will explore metabolism and energy while exposing the vastly held myths about our health and well-being. Metabolism is a broad and intricate term encompassing the vast array of chemical processes that occur within the cells of an organism. It refers to the total of all the work carried out by cells to sustain life. Metabolism encompasses a broad array of intricate biochemical reactions that facilitate the transformation of nutrients into energy, the synthesis and breakdown of molecules, and the regulation of diverse cellular functions. The elaborate apparatus of cellular metabolism involves a substantial effort to move molecules across cell membranes and convert one molecule type to another. Cell membranes act as selective barriers, regulating the passage of substances into and out of cells. This process is crucial for maintaining internal balance, exchanging nutrients and waste products, and responding to the environment. The human body is a dynamic, intricate system comprised of countless molecules constantly interacting with one another. Within our bodies, various molecules, including enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, and DNA, orchestrate the complex processes necessary for life. When considering the molecules that sustain our body's functions, it's important to note that they do not directly come in a readily usable form from our diet. While our diet provides essential nutrients, they must undergo various transformations within our body before being used by our cells. Cells actively participate in the process of bringing in nutrients and other molecules present in the bloodstream. They accomplish this by selectively allowing these molecules to cross their cell membranes. Once inside, the cells utilize these molecules as fuel or building blocks for various cellular processes. They convert these molecules into different forms and then push the resulting products out of their walls to be used elsewhere in the body. All the work that our cells carry out during metabolic processes requires energy. Energy is a fundamental component that drives cellular activities and is necessary for nutrient uptake, synthesis of molecules, movement, signaling, and maintaining cellular integrity. Before moving further, let us talk a bit about the metabolic rate. The speed at which individual cells carry out their work plays a crucial role in determining the overall metabolic rate of an organism. Metabolic rate refers to the energy used per unit of time, typically measured as energy expended per minute. When we sum up the collective work performed by all the cells in our body, we arrive at our body's metabolic rate or the total energy expenditure per minute. The metabolic energy required by our bodies is obtained from three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of these macronutrients provides the energy for cellular functions to sustain overall metabolism. With all this in mind, let us now talk about the first widely held myth: we must burn all the energy we intake but do not use. It is a widely held belief that humans can burn the excess calories consumed through physical exercise. Well, the fact is that you can uptake as many calories of energy as you will, but you just can't burn the excess calories. Researchers work throughout the world, experiment after experiment across various tribes and races, and found out that each of us burns calories in proportion to our weight. In other words, our metabolic rate depends on our weight, and there is only a fixed amount of energy we burn every 24 hours. If you are an adult male, you can burn energy equal to 7 times your weight in pounds plus 551 kilocalories per day. If you are an adult female, you can burn energy equivalent to 5 times your weight in pounds plus 607 kilocalories, and children burn energy equal to 10 times their weight in pounds plus 511 kilocalories. Try as you may, based on false beliefs fostered down the generations and fueled by your common sense, you can't exceed this limit. Any excess amount surpassing your metabolical requirement gets stored as fat. And you just can't get rid of the fat, as most of the obese or near obese know it very well. No amount of physical exercise can help you. As you gain weight, your metabolic rate will increase, and your requirement for energy and your body weight will enter into a spiraling chase. Before we proceed any further, you must give up the wrong notion of our body working as a machine, that you can burn as much energy as you want. Okay. Well then, we must conclude this episode on this note. In our next episode, we will discuss the allocation of energy to various cellular processes so that you can better understand why we fall ill. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep questioning and growing. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.